Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix account login failed in Canva 2026. So why this happens first. The common causes of the issue are, at first we have wrong email and password, account security block, two-factor authentication issue, stable app or browser actually, and network or VPN blocking access. Okay, so to fix the issue you'll need at first to check your credentials. Alright, so let's consider that you are on that page where you enter your login infos, the email for example and the password. So you'll need to retype your email and password carefully and make sure caps lock isn't on. If ensure, just tap forgot password and reset it. Right, so actually the second option is try different login methods. So here, as you can see, usually can use the Google, Facebook, or just an email, right? So you'll need just to enter. If you want to go with email, you will need to use your email just right here and then just enter the password, and yeah, there you go. So that's where you can create another account, or you can check if the email that doesn't work on the other login method can actually work with Google or Facebook. Okay, even guys, you will need to check your internet, so you'll need to turn the Wi-Fi off and then on, so just disconnects and reconnect it. And you can also try using the mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. Even you will need to turn off the VPN or proxy because they can block the access. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.